American English Sounds. Introduction. English is not spelled phonetically. The same sound is spelled several different ways. For this reason, it is helpful to assign separate symbols to each sound. The following is the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA system. 24 consonant symbols, 11 vowel symbols, and 5 symbols representing diphthongs are used to represent the significant sounds of American English. Vowel, symbol, E. Examples: he, meet, teach, chief. Listen and repeat. E, he, meet, teach, chief. Vowel, symbol, I. Examples: in, is, sit, big. Listen and repeat. I, in, is, sit, big. Vowel, symbol, A. Examples: day, make, train, vein, stake. Listen and repeat. A, day, make, train, vein, stake. Vowel, symbol, E. Examples: met, let, said, bread. Listen and repeat. E, met, let, said, bread. Vowel, symbol, A. Examples: cash, half, laugh, hand. Listen and repeat. A, cash, half, laugh, hand. Vowel, symbol, Ah. Examples: father, far, heart, pot, not. Listen and repeat. Ah, father, far, heart, pot, not. Vowel, symbol, Aw. Examples: all, saw, bought, caught. Listen and repeat. Aw, all, saw, bought, caught. Vowel, symbol, O. Examples: go, know, coat, toe, pole. Listen and repeat. O, go, know, coat, toe, pole. Vowel, symbol, Examples: book, took, good, should. Listen and repeat. Book, took, good, should. Vowel, symbol, oo. Examples: food, blue, blue, do, soup. Listen and repeat. Oo, food. Blue, blue. Do, soup. Vowel, symbol, Examples: cup, sun, sun. Enough. Listen and repeat. Cup, sun, sun. Enough. Vowel, symbol, I. Examples: I, nice, tie, buy, right. Listen and repeat. I, nice, tie, buy, right. Vowel, symbol, oi. Examples: noise, boy, point, oil. Listen and repeat. Oi, noise, boy, point, oil. Vowel, symbol, ow. Examples: out, now, town, mouth. Listen and repeat. Ow, out, now, town, mouth. Vowel, symbol, Examples: ego, alphabet, listen, student. Listen and repeat. Ego, alphabet, listen, student. Vowel, symbol, Examples: her, bird, doctor, earn. Listen and repeat. Her, bird, doctor, earn. Consonant, symbol, p. Examples: past, stop, put, paper. Listen and repeat. P, past, stop, put, paper. Consonant, symbol, b. Examples: bed, baby, barber, lab. Listen and repeat. B, bed, baby, barber, lab. Consonant, symbol, t. Examples: take, scent, 10, gentle. Listen and repeat. T, take, scent, 10, gentle. Consonant, symbol, d. Examples: date, student, do, hard. Listen and repeat. D, date, student, do, hard. Consonant, symbol, k. Examples: car, chemical, recorder, book. Listen and repeat. K, car, chemical, recorder, book. consonant, symbol, g. Examples: gas, eggs, dog, cigar. Listen and repeat. G. Gas, eggs, dog, cigar. Consonant, symbol, m. Examples: arm, my, number, from. Listen and repeat. Arm, my, number, from. Consonant, symbol, n. Examples: know, line, find, noon. Listen and repeat. Know, line, find, noon. Consonant, symbol, ng. Examples: sing, long, wrong, rank. Listen and repeat. Sing, long, wrong, rank. Consonant, symbol, Examples: well, laboratory, always, let. Listen and repeat. Well, laboratory, always, let. Consonant, symbol, Examples: read, course, for, write. Listen and repeat. Read, course, for, write. Consonant, symbol, f. Examples: farmer, affirm, phone, laugh. Listen and repeat. Farmer, affirm, phone, laugh. Consonant, symbol, v. Examples: very, give, live, 7. Listen and repeat. Very, give, live, 7. Consonant, symbol, th. Examples: thank, Thursday, bath, north. Listen and repeat. Thank, Thursday, bath, north. Consonant, symbol, th. Examples: the, this, these, weather. Listen and repeat. The, this, these, weather. Consonant, symbol, s. Examples: see, this, lesson, tapes. Listen and repeat. S. See, this, lesson, tapes. Consonant, symbol, z. Examples: 0, rose, blows, dozen. Listen and repeat. Z. 0, rose, blows, dozen. consonant, symbol, sh. Examples: ship, nation, should, push. Listen and repeat. Sh, ship, nation, should, push. Consonant, symbol, zh. Examples: pleasure, measure, usual. Listen and repeat. Zh, pleasure, measure, usual. Consonant, symbol, h. Examples: have, he, how, hot. Listen and repeat. H, have, he, how, hot. Consonant, symbol, ch. Examples: chair, teacher, pitcher, march. Listen and repeat. Ch, chair, teacher, pitcher, march. Consonant, symbol, j. Examples: judge, bridge, page, July. Listen and repeat. J, judge, bridge, page, July. Consonant, symbol, w. Examples: we, walk, wish, away. Listen and repeat. W, we, walk, wish, away. Consonant, symbol, y. Examples: yes, you, yesterday, young. Listen and repeat. Y, yes, you, yesterday, young.